bring you information on how to install add-ons to garrysmod. First, you want to go to www.garrysmod.org. After going there, you're going to want to select what you want to download, which I'm going to download a map, and I will choose GM Flatgrass 1. Click the download button, and if it asks you for verification, hit OK. I myself already have it downloaded. So it'll look something like this, a single map file. So what you're going to have to do is find your garrysmod folder. For most of you, it will be in Computer, C:"Program Files, Steam, Steam Apps, your username, and then garrysmod. There's going to be another folder called garrysmod, which you're going to have to enter also. Now, if you're installing a single map file like this, take it and drag it into the maps folder. If it asks you to overwrite, hit OK. Now your map file has been downloaded and installed successfully. Whenever you start garrysmod, you will be able to click on that and load it as a file. Then you'll be able to play on that map. Next, we're going to install a weapon. Just find any old random weapon, such as pistols. That's what's popular apparently right now. I myself went with the Fallout 3 10mm pistol. So hit download, and if it asks for verification, hit OK. I myself already have it downloaded. For most weapons and maps, it'll look something like this, except for maps, it'll have a maps folder. If there's no info.txt, you can just drag and drop all these files into your garrysmod folder. If it asks you to overwrite, verify. But for anything containing a info.txt, you need to move it into your add-ons folder. As you see, Terminator NPC has an info.txt inside of it. That is why it is in my add-ons folder, and garrysmod reads the info.txt so it can be placed easily in here. If you look at the info.txt, it's a very simple file, and that allows it to read. Not totally positive why, but it does. It's basically the same for most Source games, except for Counter-Strike Source and Team Fortress 2 do not have an add-ons folder, so everything gets selected and dragged into your garrysmod or Team Fortress 2, TF2, or C-Strike. And that is how you install downloaded content onto your Source games. And thank you for watching. This has been Epic Hero Studios.